So I just wanted to make this quick video. Probably this will help somebody. The the error is, or the problem is, that sometimes when you open up certain windows in KDE, and if you have got a multi-monitor system, and if you've got a portrait monitor like I have, one of the windows might open up quite high, like off screen. So for me, the create new archive window inside the Arc application opened up off screen, so I couldn't really see it. The solution for this is that you right click on whatever window opened off screen. Now, first thing that you need to know is how to bring the window into the center of your screen. So if something is off screen, you can't see it. And the way you know that you can't see it is that you go to the application icon that is on the taskbar, and you go to whichever window you can't see. So for me, it was this window. You right click this, go to more actions, and then click move over here. Then if it's off screen, you can bring the window down. After that, right click and go to more actions, then go to configure special application settings. So once you do that, you can set the window rules. So you add a window rule by adding a property like this. The properties you need to add is initial placement. So if I type initial placement now, you won't be able to see it because it's already added. You're going to say initial placement for centered, and then you're going to search for ignore requested geometry. So you'll say add property again and ignore requested geometry, and then you're going to click yes and then force over here. This will make the application open all of its windows in the center. So that is something I believe will help you in case you've got applications that are opening outside of your screen and you need to actually see them.